What is the FBAR? What is it we're reporting here? You first get attention to it on Schedule B. Schedule B of your tax return is where you list your interest and dividends. And then at the very bottom, and you'll see this on the slide that we're showing, there is Part 3, which says, did you have over $10,000 in foreign bank accounts during the year? And if so, you answer yes or no. And then there's 3 questions you answer after that. And the questions are intended to be instructional. And this is how the IRS and the Supreme Court have looked at it. These questions are to trigger in you that, yes, you have a reporting obligation and you should report them. And if it's prepared by a professional, you should read this and do it. Now, what's happening with the FBAR report? The foreign bank account report means we report any foreign financial institution. That could be a bank, could be a brokerage, credit union, savings and loan, any sort of financial or custodial account that's financial related has to be reported. Now, the law is not 100% clear in this area, but our guidance is that all crypto foreign exchanges should be listed here. So any crypto exchange that is a foreign exchange, not U.S. based or U.S. incorporated, should be listed here. What you're listing on this form, and it could be banks, it could be brokerages, but it could also be crypto exchange. What you're listing is the name of the bank or institution, the exchange, and the maximum amount that you held on it during the year. Now, a lot of these crypto exchanges, you have no idea what their address is. So you're going to fill out that form and basically say unknown, unknown, unknown. But that's how you fill it out. That's how you complete it. Then you go and upload it to the BSA e-filing website, which is the FinCEN website. In this example, we have shown 2 exchanges being reported on the FBAR. The FBAR form is a very serious form. And the way the IRS and the U.S. government looks at it, I should have said this earlier, is that they believe that an honest person will complete the form and a dishonest person will not. That's why there's such a steep penalty. Now, when we get to look at the Form 8938, the penalty for not filing when you should have is much more significant. With both FBAR and the Form 8938, there is a minimum filing threshold where if your total bank account and brokerage and exchange balances does not exceed that amount, then you don't have to file the FBAR. So in other words, it's a concession for small fish, if you will. And this amount for the FBAR is $10,000. Now, just to be clear, if I have $8,000 on exchange 1 and I move all that $8,000 over to foreign exchange 2, that's a total of $16,000. All right, so just be careful how you look at those totals. Don't play it too close to the wall, so to speak. Both the anti-money laundering forms, the rule of thumb is it's safer to over-report than to under-report. Most of the things we do on a tax return, we're trying not to tell the IRS anything they don't need to know. But with these 2 forms, it's safer to disclose. So that's it for the FBAR. It's actually quite an easy form to fill out when you file it on the BSA website. Good luck.